blend door actuator. I'm gonna try to hook this actuator up today. So hang out with me. I know some of y'all don't like cars, but like I say, just stay with me, stay with the channel as we progress. It's a lot more to come. Blend door actuator, hold on, let me see. Blend door actuator. This is what changes the vent from going from the hot side to the cold side, you know, to blow hot or to blow cold. So this must be worn out, this little thing. Something in there worn out, but it's a tight space. I gotta get down there, gotta take some of this stuff off. I'll be back. Well, this is how my day getting started. I just dropped all the tools, Man, that was brutal. And I'm still missing two. And they can't be nowhere but right in here. But let's get back to this car, man. Let's get started on the car. Brutal. Man, it's these two bolts right here you gotta take out. It's a bolt right here. And then there's one on this side. Can you see it? Well, they both about, so it's one right here. Take them two bolts off. I'll be back. Once you get them two bolts off, that bolt right there and that bolt right there, you just get up under there, you pull this whole thing, you just pull it out. You just get behind it. I put my hand down here somewhere on both sides and I pulled it and it come right on out. So you get that off, you see these little, you gotta get these out. Pop them down with your little tool. It's two of them. One. You gotta pop these two. Man, come on up out of there. You gotta pop these out and take this out. So let me work with that and I'll be back. Just gotta wiggle it a little bit. It'll come right on out. Some of the insulation was caught on this right here, so I just had to hold it down. It came right on out, no problem. Once you take them two pins out, once you get these two out. Man, I gotta get me some lights that's conducive to being up and through here. I can't do nothing with this jumper box all in the way. I mean, I need it, but it's too bulky. I don't even have no lights that can get up in there. I need a light right there. There you go. Hold on. There you go, right there. Look. Clear piece. I'll be back. Boy, I am sorry, y'all, but this thing is beating all the... There it go up in there. Right there, that little yellow thing with that screw I just started on that screw right there. But I had to go get me a small screw. I had to go get me a little baby screw. After I done fiddle-faddled around in there for an hour and a half or two. So I was like, man, cause I can't even get the plug off. So I'm gonna unscrew them two screws, let it come down, and then take the plug out. Then I'm gonna put it back up in there, screw it back, then plug it back up. Hey, it's a tight little spot. Super tight. We gonna get it though. We gonna work at it. If there's a will, there's a way. I got it out. Now it's all about getting it back up in there in the correct orientation and everything. I can't even. I can see over here from this angle where I'm at, and I'm laying across my front two seats, and that's why I'm going back there where you see the white piece at. But that's just the area of where I'm going. It's over there to the left a little bit, where that long white thing is at with the little slit in the middle. Yeah, this a rough one, y'all, and I done some rough ones before, and this a rough one. Man, I got it back on. A lot easy. It is a tight spot, but it was easier getting it back on than taking it off. And I think we okay. I got the temperature. So we gonna see. It's feeling a little, for some reason, don't feel as cold as it used to, but we'll see. Hey, subscribe for the effort. It's crazy, man. We got it though. I'll holler back. Yeah, the little clicking noise gone. I was hearing a little clicking noise. It sounds like it's coming from up in there, but really it's coming from down there. Well, y'all see me working on that at. But the clicking noise is gone. It just seems it's just not as cold. Maybe I need to check the Freon or something. Maybe I got a slight leak, but it's not as cold as it used to be. I'm gonna check back with y'all, but I gotta check. Hey, y'all stay up, keep working on them cars, keep doing y'all stuff, get the right tools, and never miss an opportunity to keep moving forward.